Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own business but thought you needed a ton of money, think again. Today, we're diving into low investment, high profit businesses that anyone can launch with just a laptop and a passion. Forget the old school mentality that you need $1 bazillion and a fancy office to be an entrepreneur. We're breaking down 10 incredible business ideas that won't break the bank. So grab your notebooks and let's unlock those profit-making possibilities together. All right, let's kick things off with freelancing. This is the ultimate side hustle for anyone with a marketable skill and a Wi-Fi connection. We're talking writers, graphic designers, web developers, social media managers. The list goes on. The beauty of freelancing is that you're in control. You choose your clients, your rates, and your hours. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru are like virtual marketplaces where you can connect with clients from all over the world. Don't just be a writer, be a conversion-focused copywriter for e-commerce brands. Identify your strengths, hone your craft, and get ready to watch those freelance dollars roll in. Next up, we're talking about online tutoring. If you've got expertise in a particular subject, whether it's math, science, history, music, or even underwater basket weaving, there are students out there who are eager to learn from you. With platforms like Schooly, TutorMe, and Chegg Tutors, you can connect with students from all over the globe and set your own rates. And the best part? You don't need a teaching degree to get started. You're empowering them with knowledge, boosting their confidence, and helping them achieve their academic goals. So dust off those textbooks, brush up on your skills, and get ready to share your knowledge with the world, one online lesson at a time. Calling all animal lovers. If you're looking for a fun and rewarding way to make extra cash, look no further than dog walking and pet sitting. As a dog walker or pet sitter, you get to spend your days hanging out with adorable animals, showering them with love and affection, and ensuring their well-being. You can find clients through word-of-mouth local flyers or online platforms like Rover and Wag. So ditch the boring 9-to-5 and embrace the pawsome world of pet care. It's a win-win for you, the pets, and their grateful owners. Let's talk about a business idea that's in high demand: becoming a virtual assistant. Entrepreneurs and businesses are busier than ever. Virtual assistants provide remote support, handling tasks like scheduling appointments, managing emails, creating presentations, booking travel, and handling social media. The beauty of being a VA is that you can work from anywhere with an internet connection. You can set your own hours, choose your clients, and specialize in areas that you're passionate about. Are you a social media whiz? Offer your services as a social media manager. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Fancy Hands connect virtual assistants with clients worldwide, making it easier than ever to find your perfect match. If you're passionate about a particular topic and love sharing your knowledge, creating and selling online courses could be your ticket to entrepreneurial success. The online education market is booming, and platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable have made it easier than ever to create and sell your courses to a global audience. You create them once, and they can generate passive income for years to come. Invest time in crafting engaging lessons, incorporating different learning styles, and providing ongoing support to your students. Make it shine. Let's talk about a business idea that's all about working smarter, not harder, creating and selling digital templates. Think about it. What are some common tasks that people and businesses need help with? Creating social media graphics, designing presentations, building websites. Platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and your own website make it easy to sell your digital products to a global audience. So tap into your inner creative genius, fire up your design software, and start creating those money-making templates. Are you ready to unleash your inner fashion designer or creative genius without the hassle of inventory management and shipping logistics? Then print on demand is your new best friend. Print-on-demand platforms like Printful, Printify, and Guten allow you to create and sell custom-designed products without ever having to touch a printing press or pack a shipping box. When a customer places an order, the platform automatically handles the printing, fulfillment, and shipping, sending the product directly to your customer. So, let your creativity run wild. Design some awesome products, and watch those print-on-demand profits roll in. Let's talk about one of the most popular and accessible ways to make money online: affiliate marketing. It's a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to earn extra income from the comfort of their own home. You find a product you love, recommend it to your audience, and earn a commission for every sale you make through your unique affiliate link. It's as simple as sharing your favorite finds with friends and followers. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products, deal with customer service, or handle any of the logistics of running an e-commerce business. All you need to do is focus on promoting products you believe in. There are tons of affiliate programs out there for every niche and industry imaginable. Whether you're into tech gadgets, fashion, beauty, or even niche hobbies, there's something for everyone. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to be authentic and genuine in your recommendations. Your audience can tell when you're being sincere, and this builds trust. Focus on products and services that you truly believe in and that align with your audience's interests. This way, your promotions will feel natural and not forced. When you recommend products that you genuinely love and use yourself, your recommendations will carry much more weight. People trust real experiences and honest opinions. Ready to dive into the world of e-commerce without the headaches of inventory management, warehousing, and shipping logistics? Imagine running a business where you never have to worry about stocking products or dealing with the complexities of shipping. Then dropshipping might be your golden ticket. It's a game changer for aspiring entrepreneurs looking to break into the online retail space. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment model where you, as the store owner, don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead of managing inventory, you focus on marketing and customer service. Instead, you partner with a dropshipping supplier who stores and ships the products directly to your customers on your behalf. This allows you to operate your business from anywhere in the world. This means you can start an e-commerce business with little to no upfront investment in inventory. You can focus on building your brand and growing your customer base without the financial risk of unsold stock. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix make it easier than ever to create a professional-looking online store. These tools offer customizable templates and user-friendly interfaces. You can find dropshipping suppliers through platforms like AliExpress, Salehu, and Worldwide Brands. These platforms connect you with reliable suppliers offering a wide range of products. Focus on finding a niche, building a strong brand, and providing excellent customer service. Your brand identity and customer experience will set you apart from the competition. Identify a specific target audience and curate a selection of products that cater to their needs and interests. Conduct thorough market research to understand what your customers are looking for. Provide excellent customer service, answer inquiries promptly, and go the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and refer your store to others. Let's talk about the OG of online business blogging. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is blogging still relevant in today's fast-paced, video-obsessed world? Absolutely. Blogging has evolved over the years, but it's far from dead. It's a powerful tool for sharing your passion, building a community, and yes, even making money. The key to successful blogging is to create high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Once you've built a loyal audience, there are several ways to monetize your blog. You can generate revenue through display advertising, affiliate marketing, selling your products or services, or even offering sponsored posts. Focus on building a strong foundation, consistently creating high-quality content, and nurturing your community. In today's digital age, having a strong social media presence is no longer optional. It's essential for businesses of all shapes and sizes. Social media platforms have become the new marketplace, where brands can connect with their audience, showcase their products, and build lasting relationships. And that's where you come in, my friend, as a social media management superhero. With your skills, you can transform a brand's online presence and make a real impact. Social media managers are the masterminds behind the scenes, crafting engaging content, building online communities, and driving results for their clients. They are the unsung heroes who ensure that every post, tweet, and story aligns with the brand's goals. It's about understanding your target audience, crafting a cohesive brand voice, and developing a strategic approach to social media marketing. This involves analyzing data, staying updated with trends, and constantly refining your strategy. If you're a natural storyteller, a creative soul, and a data-driven individual with a passion for all things social media, then this could be your dream career. Your creativity and analytical skills can help brands stand out in a crowded digital landscape. So, brush up on your social media skills, build a portfolio of your work, and get ready to help businesses crush it in the digital world. The opportunities are endless, and the digital marketing world is waiting for your unique touch. Starting a low-investment, high-profit business is not just about financial gain. It's about pursuing your passions and creating something meaningful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more entrepreneurial tips. I'd love to hear about your ideas or experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other. Thanks for watching. Remember, the best time to start is now. Let's make those dreams a reality.